Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage soup. First, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients on hand, including 1 medium head of cabbage, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Next, carefully chop all your vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This helps them cook evenly. Finally, prepare a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven, as this will be your main cooking vessel for the delicious soup. Now let's get cooking. Begin by sautéing your chopped onions, garlic, and other aromatics in 1 tablespoon of olive oil until they are softened and fragrant. Then, pour in about 6 cups of vegetable broth and 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, stirring everything together. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer, covering the pot. It's time for the star ingredient. Stir in your chopped cabbage along with any other remaining vegetables, like bell peppers or green beans. Next, season your soup generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your preferred herbs such as dried oregano or thyme. Allow the soup to simmer gently for 20 to 30 minutes, or until all the vegetables are perfectly tender. Your delicious cabbage soup is almost ready. Before serving, taste the soup and adjust any seasonings, adding more salt, pepper, or herbs if desired. Ladle the warm soup into bowls and garnish with fresh chopped parsley or a dollop of sour cream for extra richness. This hearty soup is perfect for a comforting meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.